become the biggest casualty, and I know that they have been taken all preparations to pass the food bill, but because of the disruptions, they're just waiting for this. And if
there are
this thing
several
goes,
amendments also introduced,
Yeah.
Will, that it should not be treated as ready-to-eat meal, as it was earlier said in the bill, and now the BJP said it should not be said ready to eat meals. So several important amendments also. Do you think these amendments the government will come through with a new bill with these amendments?
well, government is coming with a lot of amendments, but the issue is, the opposition is determined to score brownie points on the issue of corruption. They want to highlight their issue before they want the government to score their political points with the food security bill. So it's who will blink first. This sort of a tussle which is going on in the parliament right now, and it's now almost impossible for the government to pass the whole list of bills. They have listed 30 bills for this session. It's almost impossible.
But with the missing of 157 or 160, we don't even know the exact number of files going missing in this whole coal scam. Do you see this as a serious lacking of the government?
Absolutely. Absolutely. There cannot be any justification, there cannot be any alibi about why the files are going missing. And this has come for at the worst time for the government, because at a point of time when the CBI is probing the coal issue, when there is a Supreme Court monitored probe going on, and the opposition has pinned on this issue, they are trying to corner the government on this issue. So you see, it's adding to the